The Egan Report, officially titled Rethinking Construction, was published in 1998 and became arguably one of the most influential documents in the UK construction industry's recent history. The report was commissioned by the UK government and led by Sir John Egan. The report was a response to perceived inefficiencies and low productivity levels within the construction sector, which had forever plagued the industry. The aim of this report was to address these issues by advocating for radical changes to the industry's practices and processes. The Latham Report, published 4 years earlier in 1994, titled Constructing the Team, is closely connected to the Egan Report, with their objectives and reformative impact on the industry. It is said it set the stage for recommendations laid out in the Egan Report. We will cover the recommendations and effects of the Egan Report in this video, but if you're interested in this topic and learning about the Latham Report, we have a video discussing it. We'll include the link in the description below. So what were the key recommendations from the Egan Report? Adopt lean construction principles. Emphasis should be placed on reducing waste and improving efficiency through streamlined processes, drawing inspiration from the manufacturing sector where possible. Promote integrated teams. Encourage the formation of integrated project teams where possible, involving clients, designers, contractors and suppliers from the project's outset. This is to enhance collaboration and communication. Improve supply chain management. Advocate and support closer relationships and better coordination among all parties in the supply chain to ensure timely and efficient delivery of projects. Focus on customer satisfaction. Place a greater emphasis on understanding and really meeting the needs and expectations of clients to improve the quality of deliverables. Commit to continuous improvement. Try to promote a culture of continuous learning and innovation within construction companies and project teams, encouraging the adoption of best practices and technological advancements. Enhance professional development. Stress the importance of investing in training and development for all levels of staff within the construction industry to build a skilled and competent workforce. Implement performance measures. Recommend the use of key performance indicators to measure progress and drive improvements in areas such as project delivery, quality and sustainability. We'll now look at the effects of the report. There has been a significant shift towards more collaborative working relationships in the industry, with a rise in partnering contracts and joint ventures that aim to share risks and rewards more equitably and fairly, such as the new engineering contract. The report has accelerated the adoption of digital tools and technologies such as building information modelling, which has helped to improve planning, execution and management of construction projects. Many firms have embraced lean construction methods, leading to reduced waste, shorter project timelines and cost savings. The industry has seen a greater emphasis on client engagement and customer service, leading to more bespoke solutions and higher client satisfaction levels. There has been a noticeable increase in training and professional development programs, aimed at upskilling the workforce and attracting new talent to the industry. Despite positive and noticeable changes in these areas, the industry has of course faced challenges in fully implementing the Egan Report's recommendations. Issues such as resistance to change, the inherent fragmented nature of the industry, and the focus on short-term cost savings over long-term value still exist and act as barriers to full realisation. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.